Welcome back to Online Tools Master. In today's video, we're diving into a unique and fun tool, Unicode Text Spoofer, a tool that helps you turn regular text into obfuscated Unicode characters, perfect for playful mischief or creative text manipulation. Let's take a quote from Carl Sandburg. At first glance, the input and output text look the same, but we've actually replaced several Latin letters with Unicode homoglyphs from the Greek and Cyrillic alphabets. Take a closer look. Letters like N, O, and P have been swapped with Unicode versions that look identical but are completely different. Now, let's step it up. In this example, we've enabled all the spoof options, letters, punctuation marks, and even spaces. With spoof punctuation, we replace exclamation marks, commas, and dots with similar-looking Unicode characters. And with spoof spaces, regular spaces are swapped for special Unicode spaces. To make things even more complex, the Insert Zero with Spaces option inserts invisible spaces between characters, making your text almost impossible to detect by filters or string matching algorithms. It's a fantastic way to truly scramble your message. In this example, we're using the Preview Spoof option, which helps you quickly identify which characters have been spoofed. All the normal characters are replaced by this dot symbol, while the fake Unicode characters are highlighted. This makes it easy to see which letters and punctuation marks have been obfuscated. And that's how you use the Unicode Text Spoofer to replace regular characters with Unicode homoglyphs and create obfuscated text in seconds. Whether you're playing with text or trying to bypass filters, this tool is a fun way to mix things up. Don't forget to check out our previous videos on the Calculate Number Sum tool and the Convert Words to Numbers tool, two other handy utilities for your online toolkit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing tutorials on the best online tools. Thanks for watching and see you next time.